you guys are working on your notebooks, grab your notebooks, take them out. If there's a page number on here, that means we are actually working on a new notebooks. You fill out your table of contents for that. That's what you're supposed to do. Not walk in 5 minutes late and complain that you don't have anything. Yeah, I'm looking at you. But it's not you, though. Alright, so from here, okay, this first thing right here says defining rotations. So what I've done for you, I've given you guys patty paper. So there's patty paper there. So maybe this could actually help you out. So with you and your partners, you guys are actually going to, for each figure, which pair of angles is congruent? Now, class, what does congruent mean? Same measure, right? So we could use patty paper, and you could actually use other stuff that we have here. So go ahead. So I'm going to give you guys about 3 minutes for this right here. So I want you guys to go ahead and get started with this. So with you and your partner, you guys are checking these.
Where did I go? Why is it L?
Okay, why don't you move to the back right there?
Wait, it was going on page 1.
Yeah.
It's so mean.
That's not the L.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, so I do side. Are these angles congruent? No. This one's congruent. This one. I think that's congruent.
I'm gonna label it 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 1, 3.
Yeah.
No. That's what I do on my math. All the numbers and everything boils down. One of these guys will work.
Rotate.
Bro, my fan is dying. How do I charge it? No, it's not. Can I charge my fan?
Oh,
I don't even know what kind of charger this is. It looks like a regular phone. Do you have Android charger?
What? You guys even talking about, look, you haven't picked up your patty paper? What are you doing?
No, wait. Sir?
You and your partner are not even doing anything. She's over here texting, updating your Facebook status, looking at Snapchat. There's so much
sir.
Tinder right there.
Can I charge? What are you doing? My fan.
No, that's what I'm asking you.
oh wait.
Me? Yeah. Huh? No.
Why?
Because you had to get here before the bell rang to actually charge that.
I gotta charge my fan. So
What about it?
if I die,
Okay. Well, what else could you? Okay.
special with jump door. It made me really upset. See, look, it's so.
Think about it. You and your partner are supposed to be talking on the silver.
Oh, what?
What?
You got a tree that should refresh.
I don't know.
So just have everyone say it.
I really want my fan to turn on because it's hot.
Yeah, seriously, like the whole class said it. Like
Do you have
seriously,
batteries?
did the whole class say it? What is congruent?
Yeah, it's the same. Big
Wow, seriously, how high are you?
Very.
I lied.
What do you want?
What's drugs, sir? Sir, drugs are bad.
What do we gotta do?
Sir, drugs are bad. I wouldn't mind.
Give you guidance. You told me.
Do you guys
You know those new ones? They came out like the 1,000 milligram ones.
This conversation.
I told you, like your reason.
There's a dispensary right over here.
Okay.
There's one at the restaurant.
That's what you want to do.
Stop. Sir, my fan is dying.
Okay, flowers.
Let me George right here. I'm getting upset.
All right, you guys, let's take a look at what we got here. Now, listen up, you guys. I gave you the tools to do this. Go. A lot of people say, hey, there's this thing on my desk. I have to use it. Do you want to use that? No, not really, because it's not very helpful. In this instance, right now, it's not helpful. So what I did give you is this right here. Patty paper. So let's see. I'm going to start by, for the first one, I'm going to just trace that thing.
I told you.
Who told who? You told me?
If we
Are
trade
you really
it,
gonna
I don't
trace
know.
I wanted you guys to figure it out. If I tell you everything, you know,
You'll be
at a
like
certain
that.
point in life, you're going to keep asking for someone else to give you the instructions, directions.
My dad.
You're smart kids. You can figure it out. So, here's this one. Okay, does it match for the second one? No. Does it match on the third one? Yes. So it matches on the third one.
Told you.
So, okay, how did it get from here to here?
You drew it.
You rotated.
Okay, it's a good, very good, it's a rotation, right? So that would be a rotation, so it's not the same direction. So let's take a look at, okay, let's take a look at this next one.
Thanks, fan says.
There we go. So finally my pen's working. All right. So does this fit this one right here?
No.
No. Does it fit this one over here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Nope.
No.
Well,
No.
then I guess it ain't congruent.
You have to take this one.
Okay, let's try the second one. Okay, so I trace over the second one now and go through and let's see if it matches that. And yes, it does. That's going to be this one here and this one here are going to be the same. All right, so just looking at it, which one do you think are going to be the same on figure 3?
The first two. The first two.
First two, let's try it then.
What's a circle? Oh, my body could.
There we go. And let's see if I can make it fit on this one right here.
Oh, it's like a little Pac-Man.
And there we go. Actually, it does fit. If I try to put it on the other one over here, nope, it does not fit. So, first one and second one. All right, last one. This one right here is actually going to be interesting.
I'm gonna say the first two.
So, you guys say first
No.
two?
Yeah.
No? Last two?
First and last.
First and last? Okay, so I'm going to trace the first one here.
To be honest. You're doing great.
Okay, let's see if I can get that to fit here. And, ooh, hey, outside fits. Does the inside circle fit? No, let's see. What about this one over here? Outside fits.
No, it can't work.
Okay, so it's not first and third, so let's trace the second one.
What?
had to fit in one of them.
The conclusion is.
No, it's good. No, actually, that one does.
We have 137 minutes.
Alright, so there we go. So, I got it traced out, and so let's see if I can make it fit here.
No.
Nah, boy.
And survey
ain't about to do
says
that.
no. It's a lot larger of a angle. So, are any of these right here congruent?
No.
Well, if you're doing the triangle, yes.
No, we're actually trying to. No, it didn't match the triangle either.
What?
Nope, it didn't match the triangles.
Haha.
Look, the triangles don't match.
No, the first one with the last one. The
Okay,
second
here's the
one
first one, right?
They don't match. That one has another tail.
Look, look, look.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
now let's take a look at this one right here.
See? D and W.
So
Yeah.
if you look, this one right here, it doesn't have this line down here.
And also D
I
and
didn't
W.
know that had to, okay.
Yeah, so all of it. So this one, these are none.
Spell A.
Hmm?
How do you spell A?
So none of those right there are actually the same.
Dang.
So we could actually go through and figure it out and use process elimination for that too. Now, okay, this next one is going to be interesting.
Oh.
So this next one is interesting. I got these data cards for you guys and problem cards.
I thought this was gonna be an A, B, C.
Nope.
See the animal comes out to be.
All right, so each, your partner is going to have one and you're going to have the other.
Woo, hey, that was like.
So I'm going to pass these out here. So I think everyone is paired up, except for you. You're going to have to work with them, okay? All right, so. No, don't do any of that. There's no doctor.
Cause he won't.
I might.
Sir, I gotta charge my fan. It won't fan.
JFK. That makes perfect
Sir, this water tastes like water, just like a fan. Wait, hold on. We different. You gave me the old big ass. You gave him a line. Bro, shut up. What was you doing? You guys want to drink?
Okay. All right, listen up. Okay, so we're going to show you how to do this right now. All right, so on this one right here, the first thing, okay, I gave out these cards, and I gave these cards to only one of the partners. Okay, I gave them to one of the partners. So now for what we have here is, so I'm going to show you the problem card. It says, what's the point? Rotation, problem card. Triangle JFK has been rotated. What is its image? Okay, what is its image? And so the partner has the data card also.
So we gotta work together.
Yes. So it says, what is its image? Now, it says right here, so for these, this is what we have. Says the angle of rotation is LNS for triangle JFK, MQT, and BGH. Okay, you'll see that in a second. Says triangle MQT is rotated clockwise. triangle JFK and BFG are rotated counterclockwise. The center of rotation is N for triangle JFK, MQT, and BGH. So, let's start by looking at JFK.
Oh, we need a patty paper.
So,
JFK.
J, F, and K.
Bro, wait, hold up. I can't see with all these lights off.
Okay. Now, so now we have JFK on there. So now the next one, and it said it was also MQT. If I'm looking, MQT. So let's see. I have JFK here. Now, can I put it onto MQT?
Yes, no.
Will it line up onto MQT?
No. Yes. Yes. No. No, it will not. Wait, yes, it will. Wait. My triangle a little crooked, so yes.
All right, so now you guys have these papers in this patty. So as you and your partners together figure out how it got to there. How it got to there. It's going to be rotated by some point. That point is going to be where you pivot it at. Okay, is it going to be turn, slid? Okay, you guys are answering that. So how is it going to go to MQT?
It doesn't freaking fit in MQT.
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does.
Even your partner says it does.
Yeah,
You flip it. No, flip it, but you turn it. Ready? Look, see?
All right, so you guys are working on this, not staring at me awkwardly.
Turn that.
Oh, what?
It fits in MQT.
Yo, we gotta take off with this little paper.
Oh my god.
So we gotta turn
How many
it.
inches is that? It's right there.
And then
Okay,
triangle.
so one of the data card is what you're trying to get.
Oh, it did it.
Yeah, so
It
for
told
this,
you
what's,
about it.
so which is it though?
Shut up. It's rotating.
On that card over there?
No, here's the problem. Triangle JFK has been rotated, what's its image? So now we're looking at it, so one of the things that was on there is MQT also. So we're trying to see which of those is going to go with.
See, look.
Oh, we connect all the dots with just certain.
See these dots, right?
Like,
You turn these dots, it goes to F.
Yeah, connected, so the JFK on there.
Now we're done.
Okay, now let's check with the data card to see
this
what
be
it
clockwise
is,
or
if any of the other ones also come.
So it's this one. And wait, we gotta see.
Okay, so is it BTH
Rotate
also?
it counterclockwise.
Yeah. Okay, but no.
No, it's not that.
No, it don't work. That makes no change. Sir!
All dots.
I got fucked up. Alright, what? Huh? Don't worry.
Don't write on my card, please.
Oh, we're not supposed to.
He asked me which way a corner is.
Wait, hold on, I got a question. So like, does it mean to do that and
What?
Triangle and where do we write that?
What?
Where do we write that?
Okay, it's gonna go in here. Alright, I want you guys' attention up here. Let's take a look. I'm gonna show you this before I give you the next problem. Okay, before I go over the next problem, I want you guys to see this. So, we're looking at JKF. Okay, so how would I get it onto here? So I'm looking at my data card. Angle of rotation is L and S. And S, so let's see. Can I hold it here at N and get MQT?
Yeah, oh, shoot, yeah.
Okay, that's what it means.
you confused?
So, right there, now look at that, look. So what does that mean? That means that N is the center of rotation. For JKF, MQT, and it has another one right here, BGH. Where's BGH? BGH.
In the corner.
Okay, let's see if it actually comes out too. There's my N again, right? Is it BGH also?
Yes.
Look at that. It is.
Hey, my paper doesn't extend all the way there.
Okay, and BGH. Alright, so we did that one. So, and it says LNS. Oh, it says LNS, so it could probably by L also.
That one's not.
No, L will not. S. No, S will not either. So N is the center of rotation for those ones right there. Now, so this next one says triangle MQT is rotated clockwise. So to get from there to there, where's my N? There it is. Okay. So, wrong one, JKF. Okay, so MQT is rotated clockwise. Is that true?
No.
How did I get to MQT?
You rotate that.
I'm rotating, I'm rotating, I'm rotating. This is clockwise. Hey, did I get there?
Yeah.
Yes, I had to go all the way around, but I did get there, right? Okay, so yes, it is there. Okay. Next one says triangle JFK and BGH are rotated counterclockwise. Okay, JFK and BGH, yes, rotated clockwise. Now let's check it again. All right, and there we go. Counterclockwise. Here's counterclockwise. What's that? BGH. So keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. BGH. There I am. Okay, so it's gonna be yes.
Yeah.
Center of rotation is N for triangle. Yep, there you go. So all these are true for this. So now you guys are going to try these out. So I'm going to give you a new one. I'm going to give you guys a new one. So that was the first one. So now I'm going to give you problem 2.
It all starts to cook. No, I'm fine.
I give you that too.
I'm just sweating out of my eyes. Are you crying? I'm sweating out of my eyes.
You ever need that anymore? Hey,
It's hot out here, okay?
Ah.
I'm just beating the shit out of this bitch for no reason. Oh, this went all crooked. It's okay. Are you saying I'm a problem?
That means.
Me? At this rate, I'm just going with it. Whatever happens, happens. You can't plan art.
What
Yeah.
All right, so with your partners again, you guys are gonna try these out. With your partners again, you're gonna try these out.
I don't even know what shape
This one DCI. Hi. Hurry up.
So, you have the thing.
Shut up and do it.
I did it.
No, you have to redo it.
What thing? I've done fits.
So,
Oh, fits. I don't know space.
okay, so what's your debit card? It's your turn now.
Because you're sharing it.
Shut up, my face. Go. Shut up, go. Wait, what? Oh my god. Give me the depth.
Make the shape of it.
Hey, don't show me.
That's what I got.
Hey, leave that so I can see it. Take a picture.
Alright, so what do you have to do?
Oh, you drew it.
Alright, so I made this video.
Triangle JFK DCI. Rotation counterclockwise. Center the rotation for triangle JFK. I think
It don't fit in JFK.
Shut up.
Probably what Marilyn Monroe said. It don't fit. Probably for some reason.
What J?
It's probably why I'm saying. Because that's like the four letter.
No.
Hey, we're switch. APR.
Sir,
It's a center of rotation.
because I want to. Because I'm curious.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Wait, what?
My dad knows gonna do all this testimony.
my mind is on.
Wait.
Okay, so I was gonna.
That's
Yeah, it really is. I was really desperate.
All people with gay. Like the one I was watching on with headphones and stuff.
It's tiny. Like I thought he was a hairy lesbian. It's really gross. Now you just want to fuck with him.
I'm not talking to that fool, you know?
You're done. You're done.
I don't even talk to him like that.
He really talks to him. Okay, but it doesn't work. Yeah.
Is that what we're doing? Are we using DCI and then using LSN to get to B?
DCI, so we're seeing what else it lines up with too.
But no, that's the point.
Oh my god.
I'm confused. Wait.
I'm bagging that bush.
Huh?
I'm bagging it.
Bro! That's cringe. Real quick.
Okay, so let's go over this next one. It says DCI. DCI, so I'm going to trace over DCI here.
So we had to start on DCI.
DCI, it's way up here.
This is why you have a problem.
Exactly. Exactly. That's what I don't do.
This is why you have a problem. This is why my dick was This is my things that in the middle of
Here we go, DCI. So now, it says, for the data card 2, okay, we're checking it with,
Stab it at L.
okay,
Don't stab it.
Stab.
Violent.
You just hit him in the head.
okay, L and S. So see if the center rotation, JKF is J. Alright, so let's take a look. J's way over here.
Well,
James.
Will it go to JKF?
Yes.
Whale.
Wait, hold up.
It reaches the BGH.
No, because
but
it's
not-
too tiny.
It reaches to B.
If you put it at, if you stab L and rotate it, it goes to BGH.
Stab L.
It's too little.
Yeah. From D, C. Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, it goes to BGH, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So this one goes to BGH.
Punch the phone.
I'm ready to do it.
Okay, what else did we come up with? Hey, I need you guys. Pay attention up here. Alright. Class.
Yes.
Let me get your attention up here again, because I'm trying to finish this up. Alright, we have this one. So we said that it does line up with BGH with the center rotation of... What was the center rotation on that one? L, right?
L, yeah.
Center rotation at L. Will it go all the way to JFK?
No.
It will not go to JFK. Okay? Will it go to MQT?
Oh.
Nope.
I don't know if you.
It just
What
don't
else will
work.
it line up with?
Nothing.
Yes, it lines up with the.
S.
I can't see those letters.
It looks like it lines up with WUV, doesn't it? Looks like it lines up with WUV. Anything else that it lines up with? Just BGH, WV, right? Okay, so it doesn't go with MQ and the other one. So will it line up with BGH?
No.
BGH, yes.
Oh, yes.
But as a center rotation of N.
No.
Okay, let me put it back.
It just lines up with one.
DCI. DCI, center rotation is N. So this one right here, will its center rotation actually be on anything else from N? Nope. It goes back to the original, nope. So a lot of these ones right here will not actually be lining up on this one, will they? No, on our first one we had a whole bunch that did line up, but the second one does not have that many that do line up. Okay, so let's take a look at 11.3. So on 11.3 it says practice, hey, shh. Practice using a protractor, create angles that measure 30, 90, and 120 degrees. So I'm going to start here. Now you have a straight edge on the edge of this. So I'm going to start here.
Right, a whole line?
And so I use that to make a straight line. Okay, I use that to make a straight line. So now, with the straight line, you have to put it in that little center right there. Are you guys listening?
That little dot?
In the center, right there, you line up the circle.
With the dot. Line.
Now, if I want to do 30 degrees, I will go this way, because I'm reading from this side here. Or if you want to go from the other side, you can too. So 30 degrees would be right here. I would connect from here to here. The next one's 90 degrees, which would be straight up. And it said 120 degrees, right? And so that would be right here. So I'm going to connect so from here to here.
You can make a triangle.
No. I'm going to connect my points. So this right here is going to be
60 degrees. That would be big.
30 degrees right there.
Hey, don't break your fingers. It's not nice.
My next one. So from here over to here, my 90 degrees.
You have
And here to here, all the way across. There's my, nope. There's my 120. So you guys are practicing that right now?
Hold on.
You guys are practicing that right now. So you guys are gonna have to do a couple of these.
This is easy.
Alright, so we're gonna leave off here today. Tomorrow we're gonna pick up more.